Breakout session on Zoom is very important and very key to teachers. When you have two teachers in the classroom, especially when you have to do a personalized teaching one-on-one with your children or with a group of children in your classroom, is something that would wow your children because they can see that they're in the classroom yet they're away from you. Hi, my name is Diola Adu and this is Still This Library. In today's episode, I'm going to be sharing with us how to use breakout session with your children and how to use a virtual background, which is something the children love. The children love to see you online and they see that you are in a different environment, yet you are in your classroom. Let's get right into the breakout session. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my tutorial on breakout session on Zoom. And I have some of my colleagues here with me who are going to be helping me out in the breakout room. So first, I want to say a big thank you for all here, and I'm going to say thumbs up to everybody for helping me. Now, quickly, I'm going to share my screen immediately, and I have already logged in onto the internet here. And when you log in onto the internet, you're going to come to your setting. When you get to setting, go to in meeting advanced. In meeting advanced will take you to your breakout room. As you can see, I've already activated mine, and also by clicking the allow host to assign participant to breakout room when scheduling. Okay, so this is the very first thing you need to do. When you activate this, please close this and then come back to your breakout Zoom. You're going to see the breakout room here, over here. Click on the breakout room and you'll see that I have 9 participants, and it's going to ask you how many rooms. So because I have 9 participants, I'm going to create 3 rooms to allow them to be in 3 different rooms. Now there are 2 ways I can do breakout rooms. I can do automatically, which means Zoom will schedule everybody into different rooms as it deems fit, or I can do it manually. I'm going to show you the 2 types so that you can see. So once I've clicked, this is automatically just create the rooms, and Zoom will automatically put everybody in various rooms, and this is what it's all about. And you can change the name of the breakout room. Now hover your cursor on you're going to see rename. Click on the rename, and I can rename this day. I can come to breakout room 2. I can rename it night, and I can rename this other breakout room and rename it afternoon. Good. And this is all it is, all there is. Now you need to come to options. In option, you need to move all participants into breakout rooms automatically. It's important that you click on that. Now you want to allow participants to return to the main session at any time. I don't think this is advisable, because if they are children, they can leave the room and come back to you without even finishing what they are meant to be doing there. So you need to unclick that. Now breakout room will close automatically. It's your responsibility to set how many minutes they will be on breakout room. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to leave it at 3 minutes, and then notify me when the time is up. Countdown, you need to click all of this button. It depends on what you want, and then you click open all rooms, and everyone is going to go to the rooms. Now I want to go back to recreating my room, but I'm going to do it manually. So I'm going to go back to manual and recreate all the rooms. Now I have 3 rooms recreated. This is manually done. First, I want to rename my breakout room. So I'm going to name this day, just like we did the first time. And I'm going to come to breakout room 2 and rename it night. And I'm going to come to my breakout room session number 3, room 3, and rename it afternoon. Good. Once I'm done with this, now I want to assign my participants over here. I need to assign them to different breakout rooms. So I'm going to hover on assign one, and I click the people that I want. So I'm just going to put this first three in breakout room for day, and I go to assign. I'm going to click the next three, and I'm going to assign. Obviously, I'm going to put the last three in breakout room. Now we're going to go to the breakout room session and see what it's all about. So I'm going to open all the rooms, and they will automatically move to all the breakout rooms. So you can now see that every one of them is going back to, they're going straight to the breakout rooms. As the host, I have the right to go to any of the breakout session that I would like to go to. Now we can see that a colleague just joined, and the colleague is not in any breakout rooms right now. So I can manually put him in a breakout room or assign my participants by clicking on that button, and I'll take him straight to breakout room. I want to assign him to breakout room. Good. And he would go to breakout room 3. Now what I want to do right now is I want to pop into all the breakout room session and see what is going on there. So as the host, I have the right to right now. I'm going to join day just to say hello to all of them. So you can see that it's taking me as the host to join day, which is where I'm going right now. And I can join them down. This is breakout room day. I can even say hello to everybody. Well done, well done. And as the host, I can decide to leave the breakout room session. So I can leave breakout room session and come back to the main session. So you can go to any of the rooms you deem fit and talk to them anywhere they are. Just let them know what they are doing, and you come back to the main session. Now I'm going to wait for them. It's 3 minutes, and you can see that everybody is coming back to the main session where I am still the host. Now we're going to wait for them to come back. As they are all back in the breakout room session, I can just round up, tell them, give them any information I want to give. You can tell every other person, find out how they did in the breakout room session, find out what they did, ask them questions, and just generally round up the Zoom recording. Now, I just want to say thank you to everybody for joining me in this breakout room session. I really appreciate it, and God bless you. Now, you have seen how breakout room section works. Thank you. And I'm going to end my meeting right now. A virtual background is simple and easy. First, come to your Zoom interface and go to setting. Setting will bring you to another interface, which is this one. You can see that I already have a virtual background, but before you get to virtual background, you need to go to view more setting, and when you do that, it will take you automatically to the internet where we already have it. It will bring you to this setting of Zoom online. Log in just like I have logged in and go to meeting advanced. So by the time you come to meeting advanced, you scroll down to where you would see virtual background. Virtual background is just right there, and you activate virtual background. Zoom already have its own preset virtual background, even the video virtual background. So you can always pick any, but just activate it. Click on allow use of videos for virtual background. Close this virtual background. Come back to Zoom setting, and this is where you would go back to your setting and virtual background. So the virtual background is over here. Now you will see green screen. I have a green screen. If you click on it, It's going to ask you your computer does not meet requirement. Click OK. Now you can see my background that is green. So you need to have a green background. When you have a green background, you can now click the button to say I have a green background, and then you can now pick up any of the picture that is preset. Now this is one of the presets for Zoom or this, but I have mine saved somewhere. So I have saved this picture and it's showing like this. If you want to add more images, go to the cross sign here, click on it. It will take you to add images, and your adding image will take you to your preset images, and you can just pick anyone that you like and it becomes your background. Voila. And if you think that this is not what you want and you want to change this background, all you have to do is come to this tiny cross and close it. Close it, and then you can pick anyone that you like. And this is the background that I choose to use. And this is virtual background. Thank you. This is a tutorial about using virtual background without a green screen. So we're still going to go back to Zoom desktop client. We'll click on the picture, my profile picture, that will bring me to setting. When I get to setting, I'll go to background filters. Now what you must know is, if as you can see, I'm using a virtual background, but I'm going to show you that I don't have a green screen. So my computer is going to tell me my computer does not meet requirement. Now you need to check if your computer will meet the necessary requirement by clicking on learn more, and it will tell you if your computer meets the minimum requirement. Mine has done that, so I'm going to click OK. Now you can see that I'm using a plain wall behind me and I don't have a green screen, unlike the other one that I had a green screen. I don't have a green screen, but because my computer meets the minimum requirements, I've already downloaded the virtual background that comes with it, and it also comes with video filter. Now I'm going to show you a little bit about the video filter in a while. Now since my computer meets it, I'm going to click on the fact that I have a green screen. And once I click on green screen, it's still going to bring it out. I click OK. Now the next step is for me to choose any of the set picture that Zoom automatically has given me, or the one that I have added myself. So I'm going to pick up that, and you can see that my background has changed because I'm using the normal virtual background filter that Zoom has given to me. Now I'm going to pick up a picture from the one that I have already saved on my own, or the one that I downloaded from the internet, whichever one you like. Now how do I add image? All you have to do is go to add image and click on add image, and it will take you to your picture gallery that you have saved, and you can just simply pick any picture downloaded already. And you can see I have some here, and I'm just going to click on that and open, and it would come there automatically. And this is how you download. Now do I want to delete? I don't have this, I don't like this picture and I want to delete it. Simply go to the cross sign here and click on it, and it will delete for itself. And this is how you use virtual background without a green screen. Thank you. Wow, I hope you enjoyed that session with me, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for staying with me this long, and I hope and trust that you will practice the virtual background. Ensure that you have all your pictures set up. Please put it in the comment section below if there's anything you would like me to touch. In this library, we expose the world of teaching in little ways that you can think of. Please give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Teachers, parents, friends, hit that subscribe button and I'll get right back to it.